Hey, it's Andrew Spagabagamoto, and one of those big things here that always gets talked about on the internet is how when someone goes and buys their new bike, what do they gotta go do? Oh, I gotta tear it apart because the OEMs don't put grease on it. Well, okay, let's test this here. Now, granted, this is gonna be a single case on a KTM, but you would think that, they're trying to spare as much money as possible. So let's see what we find here. This is my 2019, as you've seen other videos. These forks, or triples, haven't been pulled off since I bought the bike. So it's January 2024, and I bought this November of 2019. So these haven't been off. You can go through and feel, range of motion still feels really nice and smooth. So yeah, let's get these pulled off. I loosened up the 10 mil up here the other night when I was pulling the forks off, getting this all torn out, so I cleaned it up. But let's dig in and see what we find. There's 17 up top. Yeah, everyone likes to feel like you gotta have oodles and oodles of grease in it. You don't need a ton of grease. This isn't 1962 where grease is trash. So just don't put so much. Top triple, or the nut. Let's see what we get here. All right. So nice O-ring on top. Oh man, we'll bring the camera in. All right. What is all that?
Then you're gonna want just a touch of olive oil.
Oh, it's grease. Yeah, it's not the cleanest right now, but shoot. This thing is 4 years old of never being out, been pressure washing the bike, been racing the bike, doing everything with it. So here, I'll set this back up and then I'll get some close-ups to see if I get it pulled apart. Oh, I forgot it's got the steering lock because of EXE. Alright, so I'll set that jam there. And then we can take top bearing out. Pop that there. We get an eye on what we're looking at here. So, alright, so we're back at it here, and I'm gonna do my best to kind of zoom in here on what we're dealing with. We can go ahead and set this up on the bench, get some light on it, and you can see, wow, what is all that? That's oodles of grease. This has never been off. So if you think you need more grease in this, you're just wrong. You don't need more grease in this. This is plenty. Especially in a case of this where this is only turning this way. You've got like maybe 90 degrees of turning here total, maybe more, whatever it is. But you don't need a metric ton of grease. See, if you do too much, what you're gonna have is it's gonna come out here, and then dust is gonna get in there, and then it's gonna migrate its way up. So you wanna limit that as much as possible. And then if we go back over here, which I don't know if you can see it, but down in there, yeah, you can see there's grease around the bottom rim. So yeah, they weren't shy. Okay. So there you have it, definitive or not, whatever you want to call it. One little example here of OEMs aren't trying to screw you with less than $1 worth of grease on a $10,000 motorcycle. Stop being so afraid, ride the thing. That's it. Have a good one. Enjoy the winter. It's snowing out there.